whānau, and we're back. I'm not gonna talk as loud because there is some activity happening, but whānau, we're just gonna swing around this way, and we're gonna chat with one of the whānau members from Manaaki Manawa, who's gonna tell us a little bit more about what's happening here today, man. Kia ora whānau. Oh man, thanks heaps for your time. Could you just quickly introduce yourself?
Ko Himalayas te Monga, ko Genghis te Awa, ko Bhargava te Iwi, ko Physiology toko whanau, ko Anuj toko Enewa. Kia ora, my name is Anuj and I'm part of Manaaki Manawa, and we are so excited to be here because it's all about empowerment of our rangatahi, and to sort of show them that they can contribute to science in so many different ways. So I am really excited, and the things that we brought along today is a physiotherapy vibrator which alters the perception of movement, and so kids can feel the brain can be tricked by just using some vibration. So we're doing that cool stuff, and then we brought something, a gadget that they can measure the force that they can generate with their muscles, and then measure blood pressure, and then what causes that blood pressure, so looking at the heart. And so we brought along some taonga from the University of Auckland Museum, which we're very grateful for, which is a deer heart, as well as a sheep heart and a human heart model, where the rangatahi can actually engage and see what causes that blood pressure and what makes us go and the blood go around. So it's all about the manawa.
Oh, kia ora. Nah, hey, man, awesome stuff going on here. I know you've got, as you mentioned, all these different sort of things happening. I guess, what are some of the, the cool stuff that our rangatahi saying, or what are some of the questions that they're actually posing you, man, with everything's going on?
It's just so amazing that you think that they will, there's a set sort of questions, but every session there's some new things that we didn't really think about answering. So it's just giving them the tools so that they can look through those tools, use those tools, and come up with those questions. And each time, like I said, it's just new questions, new inquiries, and why is the left side of the heart is bigger than the right side of the heart? And one of them said it just has to pump the blood around. But for a young tauira rangatahi to sort of think about those things, it's just massive, just to see, observe little things, and they were listening to their heart sounds with a stethoscope and just sort of asking those questions, which even our sort of university students sort of sometimes it takes a long time to get that right. So, kids are getting into it. Yeah. So we are really excited about that. Yeah.
Awesome, Mahi. I guess, can you just tell us a little bit more about your organisation and I guess the mahi you do out in the community?
Yeah, so kia ora. So we are part of Manaaki Manawa, which is the local heart centre at the University of Auckland. It's hosted by our Faculty of Medical Health Sciences, and it's sort of the kaupapa of our Manaaki Manawa is around co-design. It's working with the communities and getting our communities involved in our research questions and working in empowering our rangatahi. So it's getting to the schools, getting to these programs like Science Spinners, and giving opportunities for rangatahi to see what options there are. And there are so many options available for our rangatahi. And once they have, get them excited, and then we see them at university and allow, or sort of organize processes that will allow those students from moving from schools to university, and then we sort of mentor them in any possible way. So it's all about empowerment.
Yeah. Oh man, that's super cool, and I definitely love the fact, like, for me, rangatahi, especially, science and all, technology, everything, it's important for us, I guess. What's the importance of events like this for organizations like yourself?
I think it's rather than exposure, and I think it's also exposure to the rangatahi that they can do many things, not only just do medicine or pharmacy or the optometry or other clinical programs, but there are many different ways, such as sort of jobs in the hospital or research jobs or community work. So just exposing our rangatahi to many, many different ways that they can contribute to this rich society that we live in. So that's that.
Thank you so much, man. Like, I don't want to take up too much more of your time. I think we're doing a bit of a quick rotation, but I guess, man, what are some finishing words from you for rangatahi out there that are looking to either get into, I guess, an industry like yours, or even just science in general, man?
I think just keep going. There is, like one of our students said, there is no ceiling to knowledge. And it's just, that's exactly it is. Just keep going, and and I think will eventuate, and making connections. And I think the whakawhananatanga is so important. When you see us, engage with us, and then, world's your oyster. Yeah.
That's
So
exactly.
empowerment is the key thing for us. Yeah.
Oh man, that's ka whai, man. Anuj, thank you so much for your time, bro. Really appreciate the mahi that you're doing for our rangatahi, man. Man, just thanks, man. And I'm going to cruise around. I think we've got another little interview coming through. Ngā mihi, ngā mihi. Cheers. Okay, whānau, so we're back, and that was such a great little interview there. I learned so much about the awesome mahi that they're doing here, not only at this event, but even in the wider community. So it was great to hear from him to share more about this kaupapa, and also share more about what you're missing out on if you're not here. But anyway, whānau, we've got two brothers off to the side. I can see them looking at me going, oh, haramai boys, haramai, bro. How yous going? Bro, can you just quickly introduce, jump on the side, bro. Yeah. Quickly introduce yourselves and maybe tighten up, boys. I'm not that scary, eh? Introduce yourselves and give us your name and year level and what school you're from.
My name is Rika Riti, and I go to Whangaparo College, intermediate also.
And what year are you, bro?
I'm a year 8.
How about you, brother?
Yeah, I'm Josh. I also go to Whangaparaoa College, and I'm also year 8.
Mean boys, bro. What time did you fellas have to come here in the morning?
Oh yeah, we had to wake up quite early. We had to get on the bus at 8:30, but yes.
But boys, I know you've sort of been floating around. This is your second one today that you've been at.
Yeah.
I guess, thinking about the one that we're in right now, man, what's something cool that you've found out so far, man? We'll go this way first.
The neuroscience thing, when they vibrate the Achilles heel, it's like weird. It makes your brain think that you're forward, so then you like fall backwards. It's like really freaky, and it's like weird. Like weird as if you close your eyes.
And how about for you, bro? What about you, man?
Yeah, I like the variety of things that we have in this station, but I just like how, I don't know, when you close your eyes, you can get this can be something that can trigger you and make you like just trick your brain, which is just real cool to think about. I just like it. Yeah.
Which device was from, bro?
It was from the it was like a vibrator thing, science thing, scientific vibrator thing. Yeah. Yeah.
Sweet, man, sweet. Thinking about it. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to cut you off, my man.
Yeah. Nah. Oh shit.
No, all good, bro. That was my bad, bro. It was my bad. Bros, can I ask you, the one thing I have been seeing floating around today is the backpacks, the science spinner backpacks.
Oh yeah.
Bro, can you show us what's in the bag, man? Is that cool? Yo, what we got, man? What we got?
Oh, they're like chips and stuff, which kind of this is what I was like. I thought it was kind of interesting that we got a flashlight, and it has batteries too. Yeah. And we got water. We just grabbed that.
Oh, that was my water, bro. No.
We got like 3 balloons, I think, just random colors.
Yo.
And I'm pretty sure we got a ruler.
Oh, check.
Kind of a ruler.
Ruler bookmark style there?
Yeah.
Oh, mean.
And yeah, this is it. Yeah. Band.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
And bro, can you just hold up the bag to the whānau there, spin it round? Pretty mean.
Yeah.
Super official, man. You know, that's what happens when you come to events like this, whānau. You get cool stuff. And bro, I want to check out, because I noticed everyone wearing a bit of a tag, bro. Can you just talk a little bit about your one, bro?
Oh yeah. So depending on what color of your band, and what color of your necklace thing, depends what group you're in. So orange group, we started off in the like forestry part over there, the Living World station it's called, and then we just made our way over to here, and yeah, it's got our name on here and our school that we're from.
Mean, boys, mean. Now, thank you so much for your time, boys. Before we go, man, thinking about science, thinking about what you learned today, I guess, what about you in the future, man? What do you reckon? Something up your alley, man?
Yeah, kinda. Yeah, it's very interesting. I would like to study it when I'm older. Yeah, yeah.
And how about you, bro?
Yeah, science has always been like pretty fun for me. I've always really liked science, like from when I was little, like learning how things worked, and I always asked like loads of questions, like yeah.
All goods, boys, bros. Sorry to take you away from the action back there, but I really appreciate your time, man. Maybe later we can have another catch up, see how the rest of your day went. But yeah, man, that's us, man. Sweet. All goods, whānau. What we're going to do is we're going to continue floating around, man. The bros are going to shoot off, man. Thanks for your time, butters. Cha cha. Yeah, mean. Shot, bros. Cha. Boom. Yeah, shot, man. Cheers, whānau. We're going to keep floating around this event, show you a little bit more, and we'll go from there, eh? Sweet.